A great homepage design doesn't just happen by chance, it all starts with a plan. A creative brief is your blueprint to success, guiding your designer towards a homepage that's not just visually stunning, but strategically aligned with your goals. Here's how to create an actionable, no-fluff creative brief that ensures your homepage design hits the mark. Step 1, project details. What are the deliverables? Specify the assets needed, such as the final homepage design in desktop and mobile formats. Next, include all technical specs, things like dimensions, file formats, and where the files should be saved. Be sure to include links to all the key resources, such as the approved wireframe, any meeting recordings or discovery questionnaires, shared drive folders where files and assets should be stored, etc. This section ensures the design team knows exactly what's required and where to find everything they need, keeping the project organized from the start. Step 2, organization details and objectives. Provide background on the organization the homepage is being designed for. Include a brief summary of the brand, its mission, and its values, the project's objectives. What is the homepage meant to achieve? For example, drive user to a book consultation, showcase services or products, or highlight the organization's unique value prop. This context helps your designer understand the story and goals behind the project, ensuring the design aligns with the organization's vision. Step 3, target audience. Who's the homepage for? Define the target audience by including details such as demographics like age, location, income levels, psychographics, interests, values, and motivations, and behavioral patterns, how they browse, what they're looking for, and how they make decisions. If there are existing persona documents or target audience research, include links to those resources in this section. This ensures the homepage resonates with visitors and drives meaningful engagement. Step 4, competitor analysis. Understanding the competitive landscape is key to providing a standout homepage. Provide a list of direct competitors along with 1, elements you admire in their design, 2, weaknesses you want to avoid, and 3, opportunities to differentiate your homepage from theirs. A side-by-side analysis of competitors' homepages can be especially helpful for informing design decisions. This ensures your homepage doesn't just meet industry standards, but sets a new benchmark. Step 5, key features and requirements. This section dives into essential elements of your homepage. Use the approved wireframe as a guide and expand on key features such as the navigation, what should it include, and how should it function. For example, maybe you want a sticky nav bar or drop-down menus. 2, hero section. Share ideas for visuals or headlines. Should it feature an impactful image, a promotional video, or bold typography? 3, the CTAs. What action do you want users to take? For example, get a quote, learn more. 4, trust elements. Highlight testimonials, certifications, or stats to build credibility. 5, service or product preview. What offerings should be featured and how should they be presented? This is where you give detailed input on how each part of the homepage should look and feel, ensuring it meets both your goals and the audience's expectations. Step 6, art direction and visual guidance. Provide clear guidance on design direction, including styles and themes. Is the brand modern and minimalistic, bold and vibrant, or professional and traditional? Likes and dislikes. Reference examples of designs you admire or elements you want to avoid. 3, inspiration sources. Include links to visuals, mood boards, or competitive examples. And accessibility requirement. Mention specific needs such as contrast ratios, font sizes, or responsive design elements to ensure inclusivity. This section helps the creative team translate your vision into a design that's visually cohesive and aligned with brand identity. Step 7, timelines and budgets. Set realistic timelines for the project by specifying key dates and the number of days allocated for each phase. 1, initial design draft. When the first version will be ready. 2, art director review, internal feedback and refinement. 3, revisions to work on the art director's feedback. And 4, finally, client presentation, which is the final delivery deadline. When discussing budgets, outline hours assigned to each phase to ensure expectations align with project management goals. This structure keeps the project on track and ensures resources are used efficiently. A homepage isn't just a first impression, it's the gateway to your brand. With a clear, actionable creative brief, you'll empower your design team to craft a homepage that connects with your audience, drives action, and achieves your goals. Ready to create a homepage that sets the tone for success? Let's get started.